Welcome to Elementor Pro, the #1 choice for professional web creators. Elementor Pro unlocks many advanced features to build fully functional and professional websites with endless customization options. Now, you can also access the theme builder, form and pop-up builder, e-commerce features, dynamic content, and more. Let's take a quick tour. The Elementor editor consists of the canvas, where you can visually see and edit your page. The widget panel, where you can choose any widget to match the content type you want to display on your page. The editing panel, which consists of the content, style, and advanced tab. This is where you'll have full control over the customization options for each widget. The structure panel, where you can navigate to any element, see the layers, or change their position on the page. And the site settings that you can access and edit at any time. Now, let's take a look at the Elementor Pro features. While you can start with a blank canvas, Elementor Pro gives you access to countless professionally designed templates. Choose from small components like sections for a specific use case to full-blown website kits, including homepage, contact page, WooCommerce-related pages, and more. With Elementor Pro, you also get access to over 80 widgets that enable you to elevate your website visually and functionally. For example, you can use the animated headline to create striking messages for your audience, or the countdown widget to create FOMO, and so much more. You can also create more sophisticated layouts with nested elements, create captivating carousels, accordions, tabs, and mega menus that allow you to style the content area with complete freedom. If you're building a WooCommerce store, Elementor Pro empowers you to fully customize your online store to match your brand with a wide array of WooCommerce widgets. For example, menu cart widget that displays products in the shopper's cart. My Account widget that allows you to customize the account page where shoppers manage their account information. Checkout widget that allows you to adjust the layout of your checkout page. And WooCommerce Notices widget that allows you to customize the placement and styling of these notices. Elementor Pro is also known for its comprehensive theme builder. It allows you to build every website part as you'd like, including the headers and footers, 404 page, and other page templates such as the single post, product, archive page, and more. Then you can define where each theme part is used with advanced display conditions, so you have complete freedom over your theme. You can also create personalized visitor experiences based on various parameters using advanced display conditions. Choose when to display certain widgets or entire sections when certain conditions are met to optimize the visitor experience. While using Elementor Pro, you'll notice this small icon in the content area of all widgets. It is a very powerful feature that will accelerate your workflow and ensure your content's accuracy. Using this icon, you can populate content in any page in the front end of your website, from content in the WordPress CMS. For example, you can dynamically add the title of a post to a post template, or dynamically add the price of a product to the product page, the listing page, or anywhere else. You can also use dynamic content to enhance the functionality of various elements to leverage Elementor's full design capabilities, like adding Add to Cart functionality to any button on your website, or applying an action link that will enable visitors to launch WhatsApp, Waze, and more when clicking upon. A must-have of all websites is forms. Whether it is a contact form or a newsletter subscription, Elementor Pro allows you to put together as many fields as you want with all the field types you might need with full design capabilities. On Elementor Pro, you can set multiple actions after submit, including sending emails to multiple contacts and redirecting to a different page. You can track your form submissions on Elementor Submissions tab and be on top of your visitors' requests. Using integrations, you can collect your submission data on other popular marketing platforms and grow your audience. To take engagement and conversion to the next level, use Elementor Pro to create an unlimited amount of pop-ups. Design them in any way you'd like, and choose smart triggers or rules to ensure the pop-up is displayed to the right user at the right time. Elementor Pro allows you to customize every aspect of your website using the custom fonts, custom icons, and custom code area under the Elementor tab on your WordPress dashboard. Use the custom code area to add Google Performance Tracking Code snippets or extra JavaScript to add extra functionality. Custom fonts allow you to go an extra mile to add another layer of personalization to your branding. Once you add a new font, it will appear as a new selection under your typography settings. The custom icons work in the same way as in custom fonts, when you want to go beyond the built-in vast icon library. If you're managing your website with additional stakeholders or want to give them access to contribute, you can use the Role Permissions feature to determine what role to assign to each user, and the Elements Manager to grant different permissions to specific widget for each role. You can also use the Notes feature to leave contextual comments, feedback, and suggestions for anyone working on the website. Now that you know where to find each feature Elementor Pro has to offer, it is your turn to build a stunning website.